Hi guys, and welcome to English Language and Literature YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about complex words in English language. Have you ever come across words in English that will make you stop? Think about them. Is it this way or that way? And what does it even mean that? Everybody did. So we're gonna dive in the hardest words in English language. And most importantly, how to master them. English language can be tricky. You have sometimes you have the silent letters, some words are long, some short but tricky. Think about words like phenomenon and quintessential. Fun to say, not fun to spell, right? So let's look at one of the hardest words to master. Number 1, phenomenon. People confuse the singular and the plural forms, phenomena. And tip, break it into syllables, phenomenon. Second, quintessential. Why it's hard? Because it's long and it feels fancy. And the tip, learn its meaning through context. It describes something perfect, like the coffee is quintessential comfort. Subtle. It's hard because it has that silent B. Remember, it's silent but not so subtle once you know it. Conscientious. Why it's hard? The spelling all those vowels in the right order. Practice writing down while saying it out loud. Conscientious. And here are some strategies how to master these words. First, break it down. Chunk the words in smaller parts, like phenomenon. Second, using mnemonic devices, create a fun memory tricks. For mnemonic, remember, man needs every method of noting interesting concepts. It works. Number 3, use it in sentence. Practice the words by using it in sentence. For example, the quintessential dessert is chocolate cake, hands down. And that will be all for now. Remember to check out our channel and to comment which word is in your opinion the hardest word to master in English language. See you next time.